Welcome to KimchiTech English. Do you know how babies start learning languages? The parents give basic words and they start with basic conversation. After that, the baby repeat what the parents say. Repetition is crucial for mastering a new language.
Let's explore how English is spoken in the real world. Ready? Let's jump in.
Any nice places for a walk?
The lake path is beautiful.
How's the weather usually?
Summers are warm, winters cold.
Any local events or festivals?
The town fair is in August.
Where can I get a haircut?
Joe's barbershop is right over there.
Are there any gyms nearby?
Yes, Fit Life Gym downtown.
How's the community here?
Friendly, everyone knows everyone.
Is there a library close by?
The town library is on the corner of Elm and 3rd.
Any good places to fish?
Sorry, no place to fish here.
Are there any museums?
The art museum is downtown.
How's the traffic situation?
Not bad, not too crowded.
What's the cost of living?
It's reasonable, not too high.
Are there any job opportunities?
Check the local paper.
What's the main industry here?
Agriculture is significant here.
Is there a post office?
Yes, on Pine Street.
Any good spots for hiking?
The Shivapuri Trail is popular.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, on Maple Avenue.
Where can I find a bank?
All the banks here are on Bank Street.
Is there a movie theater?
Yes, on Elm Street.
Are there any historical sites?
There's Durbar Square. It's historic.
How's the internet connection?
It's reliable. No issues.
Do you have a local newspaper?
Yes, the Daily Gazette.
Where's the nearest post office?
It's on Pine Street.
Any good places to shop?
Main Street has shops.
How's the noise level?
Generally quiet, peaceful here.
Are there any community events?
We have a fall festival.
Is there a community center?
Yes, on Oak Avenue.
Are there any local traditions?
There's a cultural event every week.
Where's the nearest gas station?
On Elm, near the highway.
How's the air quality here?
It's good. No pollution.
Any good places for hiking?
The hills behind town.
How's the nightlife in town?
It's rather quiet. Just a few bars.
Any good places for pizza?
Pizza Hut is right down this street.
Is there a local farmer's market?
Yes, every Saturday at Downtown Square.
Where can I find a mechanic?
Bill's Auto Workshop is on Maple Street.
Are there any local parks?
Yes, Maple Park downtown.
How's the public transportation system?
Buses run on schedule.
Any local traditions or festivals?
We have a harvest festival.
Are there any sports facilities?
The community center has some.
Where's the nearest hardware store?
Joe's Hardware on Pine Street.
How's the local school system?
Very good, highly rated.
Are there any local sports teams?
We have a cricket team.
How's the recycling program here?
Almost everything is recycled here.
Are there any community gardens?
Yes, behind the library.
Where can I get a cup of coffee?
There's a cafe on Oak Street.
Any good places to walk dogs?
The park is pet friendly.
How's the cell phone reception?
It's good, no issues.
Are there any community events?
We have a holiday parade.
Where's the nearest pharmacy?
On Maple, near the park.
How's the local public transportation?
Buses run regularly downtown.
Where can I find a dry cleaner?
Mike's Cleaners on Oak.
Any good places for a picnic?
The park is perfect.
How's the local job market?
It's stable, with opportunities.
Any recommendations for local food?
Try the diner on Oak,
Where's the nearest community center?
on Oak Avenue downtown.
How's the local Wi-Fi coverage?
Good, no dead zones.
Where can I find a vet?
Maple Veterinary Clinic nearby.
Any good spots for stargazing?
The hilltop is ideal.